Hi class, welcome to week 3. So I just wanted to show you a few things about week 3. So social determinants of health is really important. It's really important to understand what social and cultural aspects of our environment affect our health. And that's really what we're focusing on, because in public health, we understand that it's not just about education. It's not just about knowing the right foods to eat. It's not just about money. It's about a collection of different determinants that really affect what your overall health status is going to be. And if we were studying the social determinants of health and first and second world or developing countries, we would see those determinants of health would look really different. But since our focus is on non-communicable disease, you'll see that all determinants are very similar, and then therefore if they're similar, they're predictive. And if they're predictive, then from a public health standpoint, we can evaluate that. We can come up with preventative and tertiary measures to change the overall health status of developed nations. And so this week is a little bit different because you don't necessarily have a chapter reading. You have a little PowerPoint, not narrated. This is just really to kind of guide you through these readings and these required videos. The videos are quite short, super good and on point. These readings won't take you that long either. And so you really do want to go through all of this. You want to take the time, take the notes. You will be tested on this material. The PowerPoint is to help guide you, maybe give you a backbone for some notes you might want to take. Okay, and then the other assignment that you are going to be doing this week that supports learning about social determinants of health is you are going to be doing this assignment. And this is a mapping assignment. It's your first mapping assignment, and really looking at kind of different areas. And now we're trying to spatially discuss social determinants of health. And so it gives you a lot of information in here. And so think of this document as not only your assignment, but it's also a teaching document. It's going to teach you a lot about the social determinants and bring some of your readings together. So you want to spend some time. Brian has taken a lot of time to make sure that you can see the maps and that you understand the instructions. In addition, one step that we've seen many students skip is there are videos here to teach you how to do this assignment. And so you want to take the time. You want to make sure that you've read it all, that you've watched the YouTube video, and that you understand what your deliverable is, particularly including like questions along with your answers. What is the expectation here for this assignment? Okay, and so please make sure that you go through it with the time needed to take a look at that. Past that, I don't have week 4 open yet. I will have week 4 open by the end of tomorrow, as well as week 5. And so you're pretty soon going to be getting into taking your first exam. You'll also notice that in week 3, just like the other, you have some essay study questions. These are going to be important to you, so you can fill all those out, and that's a part of you studying the material, but it's also prepping for your first exam. And so I hope you have a great week 3. Please let us know if you have any questions.